Module 3. Hazard Assessment. Before a worker or contractor enters a confined space, your employer must ensure that the space has been adequately assessed. The hazard assessment is a detailed document that takes into consideration any hazards that can be created by the design, construction, location, or contents of the space. It also must take into account any other potential sources of atmospheric hazards. The worker conducting the assessment must have adequate knowledge, training, and experience, and the assessment must be completed in a manner that will not endanger any worker. It is essential that all assessments are recorded in a standardized documented format, signed and dated by the qualified person or persons who carried out the assessment. There are many hazards the assessment must take into account. Oxygen deficiency and enrichment, flammable and combustible atmospheres, toxic agents, chemical residue, biological agents such as bacteria and mold, physical configuration such as the shape and size of the space, wet, slippery, uneven, or sloped surfaces, mechanical and electrical hazards such as shafts, belts, gears, pulleys, and live electrical wires. Thermal conditions. Engulfment and entrapment from the contents of the space. These could include liquids, granular products, water, and dirt. Ignition and hot work hazards. Access and egress is important to take into consideration during the assessment. Openings into spaces must allow for the wearing of personal protective and rescue equipment. Doors and hinge covers or openings should be provided, ensuring that they can be locked in an open position.